Good morning. It's Miss Mansky with your first mini lesson of the week. I hope that you had a safe and healthy weekend and that you were able to spend some time outside. The weather was really beautiful. There's a lot of really awful things going on in the world right now, and I hope that you are doing what you have to do to take care of yourself and take care of your family and other people that you love. Um, but we've only got 1 week left of school, so let's get started with this lesson for the week. You'll notice that today we're no longer talking about main idea, and this time we are talking about making inferences. And to do that, we're going to be using a nonfiction passage. So just to start off with, we're going to talk about what is an inference. So an inference is a conclusion or an estimate formed about a situation based on background knowledge and clues from the text. So it's not just some random idea that you have about what's going on in a text. It builds on your own knowledge that you have as well as what you've learned from your own reading. And we infer things from a text to help us interact with the text and make accurate predictions based on evidence, right? So when we read, we have to constantly sort of assess our understanding of what's happening in the text. And one way that we do that is by guessing, sort of, what we think is going to happen later on. So this is the passage that we're going to be looking at today. It's a little longer than the passages that we've used in the past, and you're going to use this passage to answer the questions on your exit ticket. I'm going to read it now. It's called Hiding in Plain Sight. Have you ever wished you could melt into the background or find a way to hide so no one would see you? That's an adaptation that some animals have. They have ways to blend into their surroundings. This helps them. They can avoid predators. They can catch prey. The red-eyed tree frog is an example. It lives in rainforests. It is a small frog. It has bright green skin. It blends in with tree leaves. Its toes are sticky. This frog can cling to the underside of leaves. It becomes hidden. Predators may still find it. That's when the frog's bright red eyes help. When they flash their eyes, the change scares the predators. It makes the predators run away. There are several reptiles that can blend in. Some amphibians can too. Amphibian means frog. Even a few fish have the ability to camouflage. Many mammals rely on their fur. They have fur that helps them remain unnoticed by predators. In the case of birds, females often have plain feathers. Males are brighter. The male may attract more attention from predators. This risk has a benefit. Colorful males may also use their feathers to gain mates. One mammal who excels at hiding is the Arctic fox. This animal is snowy white. It lives on the frozen tundra. A tundra is a snowy climate. It lives in constant snow and ice. The Arctic fox's white coat conceals him perfectly. The coat is also thick. It helps the fox survive the cold weather. Okay, there is a multiple choice exit ticket in your Google, it's not in your Google Classroom, in the email attached to, there is an exit ticket attached to the email that I'm sending you about this text. Use the passage, it's this passage right here, to answer the questions in the exit ticket and let me know via email if you have any questions about anything at all. I'll give you a little preview of the exit ticket. So question 1 says, what is one purpose of the adaptation of animal camouflage? And then the second question says, the text says that male birds are often more brightly colored and females are more plain. Based on your background knowledge and the text, why are females not as brightly colored? So this is an inference that you can make about this text. Okay, that's all I have for you today. Again, I hope that you are taking care of yourself and your family, and I will talk to you again soon. Thanks and have a good day. Bye.